Okay, today we're here at the Knott's Marketplace to review these Kit Kats that Critical Eats Japan sent me, and they are maple flavored. And for some reason they have this is a giraffe, this is a sea turtle, and then they show another package with penguins on it. So I'm not sure what that has to do with maple, which I assume is Canada. But this kind of looks like a polar bear over here. So anyways, we'll open it up and see what this. I wonder if there's different. Here's some camels in the desert. Here's some flamingos. Oh, here's some penguins. What the heck is this? I have no idea what that one is. This is the camel one. And here's the flamingo one. I think that's about it. So, like 4 different pictures on the Kit Kats. So let's try one. And on the back, there's a place for you to write a little message to somebody, because Kito Katsu in Japanese means you will win. I never get it right because I don't speak Japanese, so give me a break here. Give me a break. Give me a break of that Kit Kat bar. Okay, let's see what. Ooh, they do kind of smell like maple. And these are not melted like the other one that he sent us in April. So, not sure why the other ones got melted. It's a very light maple flavor, but with vanilla flavor. Or white chocolate, I'm not sure what the outside is. It smells more maple than it tastes. And it's all in Japanese in the back, so. Yeah, if you ever go to Japan.
Hey, Janet.
Hi, Janet. Oh, hi.
How you guys doing today?
Pretty good. How are you?
Oh, sorry.
We just saw our friends' Adventures of an Average Dad. They just came out of Knott's Berry Farm. So, anyways, if you go to Japan and you want to bring back gifts for people at home, if you can find any of these flavored Kit Kats, I would get those. And because there's about maybe 15 or so in the bag. Just buy a whole bunch of different flavors and give each person a few of them, and it's kind of a cool thing because we don't get these kind of weird flavors in here. We get normal flavors like maybe honey nut or caramel or but not like maple flavored or sakura flavor things like that. So anyways, I'm gonna take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.